Who's next? We've got KP. All right, KP. KP's got a hobby and a jumbo. So, I don't know why I'd open those first. I just want to get them out of the way. KP, thank you, sir. Here we go. Joe Adele and Ryan Mountcastle in that one. Alex Kirilloff. Luis Garcia, Rookie Cup. Astros. Max Muncy, Refractor. Tim Anderson. Chas McCormick. Look at that flying. That's a great card. Chas McCormick flying. I'll take it. Zach Short, Refractor. Don't Just Stand There. Buster Posey. Very nice. There's a lot of the pink magentas in this product. Especially the speckle ones. Wander Franco, they're all to like 350, so those would be some good cards, you know, to be able to pick up. Jacob DeGoat. Shohei. Herman Marquez. Zach Lowther, nice card. Acuna. Vladito. Jazz Chisholm. Don't Just Stand There. Buster Posey, Refractor. Jarren Duran. Brian De La Cruz. Very nice auto. Very, very nice auto. Brian De La Cruz for the Marlins. For KP. Cedric Mullins. O'Neal Cruz. Aaron Judge. Trent Grisham. Brandon Marsh. Justin Verlander. All right, I really like the Brian De La Cruz auto in this one. I think that one was fantastic. The Chas McCormick auto is cool, like aesthetically. As he's flying through the air, I think that's pretty cool. All right, now KP has a jumbo. Bryce Harper. Griffin Jacks. A nice Vladdy Refractor. Some nice cards in that first pack, if I'm being honest. Got a Wander at the back of this one. It's probably going to be a refractor Wander. Lance Lynn, Matt Manning, and a Wander Franco refractor. Very nice card for KP. Urias. Jacob DeGoat. Tyler McGill. Peyton Henry. So I thought he signed one that said Peyton was here. Didn't he sign a Peyton Henry auto that just said Peyton was here? Jake the Rake. Shohei. Herman Marquez. I don't know why I top loaded the Shohei, but it's a cool card, so whatever. Hey, what's up, Aaron? So I started breaking this morning at 8:30 a.m. Still going. Wander Franco. It's like the old days. John Lester. And Trey Mancini refractor, Salvador Perez. We're about to be on what, hour 16? No, hour 18. Trent Grisham. Been going hard. Got Giovanni Moran. That's nice. Wander Franco insert. Ryan McMahon. Brandon Marsh. Last pack of jumbo for KP. I see some green. Ryan Velati is the green. All right. Let's see what's in his two 3D boxes. I mean, we're pretty close to it already. 7 hours away from 24 hours, as of right now. But I lost power, so I was off for a little bit, and then I took a lunch break. I didn't take a dinner break, but I did take a nap break. So, hasn't been straight or anything. All right, 2 3Ds. Looking for that big Julio variation. That's what we're looking for. It's like $1,000 card. Be a nice little bonus from a free pack, right? All right, here we go. We have Bo Bichette, Matt Manning, Ernie Clement, Vidal Brujan, Jaron. That was a terrible pack. But you have another one, which is going to be so much better than that one, which was really bad. And this one has Vladito, Edward Cabrera, Trey Turner, Xander Bogaerts, and Brandon Marsh. Yeah, I don't know. They weren't very good. But they were free, so whatever. All right, this is what you have. This is for KP. Vladito, Wander Franco, John Lester, Trey Mancini, Trent Grisham, Giovanni Moran, Wander Franco, Ryan McMahon, Ryan Velati, Jacob DeGoat, Tyler Merrill, Peyton Henry, Shohei, Herman Marquez, Bryce Harper, Griffin Jacks, Valerito, Lance Lynn, Matt Manning, Wander Franco Refractor, that's a good card, Alex Kirilloff, Luis Garcia, Chase McCormick, Buster Posey, don't just stand there, Buster Posey, another Wander Franco, Zach Lowther, Brian De La Cruz, Cedric Mullins, and O'Neal Cruz. That was actually pretty decent. Pretty decent. That is for KP. Thank you, KP. And saving your video.